The 2018 Dodge Durango. The Durango allows you and your family to travel in style and comfort while towing your camper or boat. It offers more interior room and towing capability than most midsize SUVs and has an available third row of seating. Underneath are sturdy body-on-frame mechanicals and the option for a powerful V8 engine. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: third row seat, remote engine start, power passenger seat, power liftgate, backup camera, keyless entry, navigation system, leather-wrapped steering wheel, adjustable steering wheel, driver lumbar, power steering, front floor mats, aluminum wheels, ABS four-wheel disc brakes, cruise control, premium sound system, auto-off headlights, universal garage door opener. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.